Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm sharing Moda Block Heads 3, Block 31, Basket Collector by Betsy Chuchin. And this is a fun basket block. I love basket blocks. There's so many different styles, but this one goes together quickly and easily with half square triangles. Okay, as I mentioned, this block is mostly half square triangles, and then you've got 3 squares and 2 rectangles. So the cutting is super simple, and the piecing is super simple as well. Betsy's block comes in 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 12-inch sizes, and especially if you're doing the 4-inch block, I really recommend using the triangle paper for the half square triangles. I even used it for this one, and it was the 8-inch size, because you can make extras and have them for other projects, and that's what I did with this block. So you've got 2 different half square triangles, but you could also make this one scrappy. You could do 5 different colors if you wanted for those upper parts of the basket. And I started making this with just a plain background, and I thought it was going to be a little bit too plain, so I added in the low volume sun print for my background, and just really love how it turned out. I will be definitely making more of these because they're just so fun to make, and that 4-inch size, I've got to just try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video on this week's Moda Block Heads block. I'll have all the links in the description below, so you can go to Betsy's blog and get the free PDF pattern, so that you can go to my blog post as well. And also I'll have links to the triangle paper that I mentioned in today's video. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks so much for stopping by.